Hello friends and neighbors. Uh, it's Sunday here. Uh, I'm doing some cleaning up and stuff around. I'm not actually doing any work on the hostel today. I'm just doing some cleaning and stuff. But I wanted to put out a video, giving some people some information. My original plan was to open up in February of 2021, but guess what happened last year? Here, last month or two, it's been hard getting some of the materials. But I had to wait on these for a good while. I had to get these steps in. There's other things that I'm still not able to get because production problems, shipping problems and stuff, everything backlogged and stuff from the delays from last year and stuff. So now it's looking like possibly September. I'll know better by the end of May exactly where I'm at and where I can go from there. I'm going to be doing some trail magic from time to time up there at Highway 40. I am going to take off to go to trail days for a little bit and stuff, but you know, being a one-man show makes things slow. Alright, everybody have fun, hike safe, and thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for subscribing. I've had quite a few subscribers join, and had some other YouTubers come by and do some videos here and stuff. Thanks, guys, for that. I appreciate it a lot. Hike safe, guys.